Hi, my name is Josh Martinez, Market Traders Institute, MTI's Director of Client Success, and we're going to talk about Smart Trader and how you and I, as well as thousands of other traders, can work together to be able to find really great trading opportunities. Okay, so in front of you, this is Smart Trader, and in my opinion, this is a must-have charting software for any investor. Basically, I've been trading for about 9 years, and one of the things what I like to do is when I turn on the computer, I like to find areas where the market forms highs and lows. And so basically, I just drop a line at the current price point, and notice how when you do that, the market has history of like forming a low there, forming a low there, forming a high, forming a high, forming a high, which basically means like right now, if you tried to sell the market on the Euro Australian dollar, you're probably going to lose. The reason why is the market is at an area what we refer to as future support, which basically means the market's getting ready to bounce. We draw Fibonacci's, which does a really great job showing you where the market once was and where the market should begin to go. We see that we have a Fibonacci extension that begins to push the market from this low to the future high price about 1,300 pips away. Now, if you're a standard lot investor, that's worth over 13,000 US dollars for you. And if you're a mini lot investor, it's over $1,300 for you. Now, here's what the really cool part about Smart Trader is. Smart Trader is that I just did all this work, and for you at home, you know, for me it's easy because I've been doing this for so long, but you at home, everything that I just did could take you much, much longer until now. There's a button on Smart Trader that gives me the ability to share this chart to you. And so what I'm going to do is just share it right now. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to call this, I'm going to give it a name, EURAUD, and I'm just going to basically call it Euro Aussie Long. I'm going to say 1,300 pips, okay? And I'm going to give it a little description, so I'm going to give you all my notes and say the Euro Australian dollar monthly time frame is hitting future support. If the support holds, the market can push bullish towards the next up D extension, which is about 1,300 pips away. As long as the market stays above the blue line, I am going to look to buy. I'm going to look to buy. And then I'm going to push long, and then I'm going to publish my idea. Now, how do you get access to stuff like this? Well, it's real simple. Just imagine waking up and then just saying, you know, to yourself, like, I got to go find a trade. And listen, I get it. Not everyone has the luxury to sit in front of their computers all day long. You know, a lot of us have kids. You still got day jobs, which means you got to get the kids ready. Then you got to get ready for work. Then you got to go to work. And basically, you're kind of like, I don't have time to find any sort of trading opportunity until now. If you got 5 minutes that you can just spare, this is what you got to do. You just got to click on this little button up here and go to Ideas. Now, like I said, traders from all around the world, they're pushing ideas, and they're just kind of showing traders what they're looking at. And you can see right away, you can see my Euro Australian dollar long. It's 1,300 pips up. I click on this little button, and if you're at home, you're kind of like, hey, I just read these notes. I agree with it. It looks really, really good. Click on this little button, and then it downloads. And when you download it, all my analysis that I just did gets imported on your charts. Let me show you how to search for me specifically. So again, I've been doing this for 9 years. I've trained tens of thousands of traders from all around the world. If you just click on this little magnifying glass, this little search button, type my name out, Joshua Martinez, and what you can do is you can find all of my trading ideas specifically. Now, my trading ideas are really, really valuable simply because they work pretty good. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click on any of these little buttons, and if you like it, you can just go ahead and download it after reading my notes, and all the work that I did now gets imported on your charts, which basically means I can do all the work and you can reap all the rewards. Now, one of the things which I really like about Smart Trader is the fact that it provides ultimate security to your analysis. It's cloud-based, so it works on Macs, PCs, cell phones, tablets. It's great for the on-the-go trader. There's nothing to download, which means just log into the internet and you can go ahead and apply your analysis. So like, for example, I have a home office, I do all my analysis, and then when I drive into my main office, I can just log into Smart Trader and all my analysis is saved for me. Before, I used to have to do all my analysis at home and then duplicate all my analysis at the office. And then when I drove, I wasn't able to have access to my charts. Now I do my analysis at home, I can monitor my trade through my cell phone, and then when I get to the office, I have the ability to pick up exactly where I left off. So if you travel, or if your life is kind of like my life and you're on the go, this is perfect for you. This works with Forex feeds, stocks, as well as cryptos. You're really going to love this. You and I can communicate with each other through this, as well as thousands of traders from around the world. Hey, my name is Josh Martinez. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.